What is up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Yogo Man, and today I'm going back out into Prince William Sound with my family, and I'm also going with Connor's family. But this time we're going to a place that's a little bit different than we went previously. We're actually going to a place called Deepwater Bay, and it has a sand beach versus just kind of a rocky, gravelly beach. And it should be a really interesting vlog, and I hope you guys enjoy. So we made it to Deepwater Bay, and right now where we like to stay is pretty much the boats are right behind that area right there, and we like to stay behind this little island just because one, it's like really nice, and then you don't have to worry about bears, and then you can let like our dogs loose and stuff like that. But if you guys have seen, I think it's my channel trailer, there's like these clips of people hanging on to a rope and falling off. That was actually right in between here. We have pretty much a rope, and what I'm going to try to do this time is set it up kind of like a tightrope and try to walk it. But the beach that I was talking about is right behind that cove. The tide's currently coming up at low tide. This is actually one island, but right now you can tell it's two islands. But yeah. Alright, so I got the slackline set up right there. Alright, I'm gonna try to get up and stand up. Let's go. You're alright. You're on top of it though. Oh, easy. Standing up though. Yeah, alright. Nowhere. Oh. Yeah, nicked her. Oh. Woo-hoo! What's up? Then abs up. Okay. Well. Alright, we're about to go tubing. Connor brought one of his tubes back from his cabin. Got it tied up to the ocean boat. Yeah. It's so cold. So you guys might be wondering like what the heck is going on, because I haven't really had any context or anything. So obviously we were kneeboarding and surfing, and well, I guess it's not like surfing. I don't know what would that be called. We were holding onto a rope. I guess surfing would still be the technical term, but and tubing as well. And I actually haven't even been to the beach yet, so I'm gonna go over there. The beach is right over there. The tide's coming up, so I'm doing a time lapse right now. And I think I'm gonna try to lower my slack line and turn it into a swing, kind of like I did last year. But yeah. Alright, so I'm here at the beach. As you guys can see, it's actually a nice sand beach. And currently, there's nobody here. At low tide, this beach is humongous because it's really, really flat. But at high tide, there's no beach. Like, this whole part will be underwater, I bet, in an hour or less. Alright, I think I'm gonna put the GoPro on Deshka. Deshka, come here. You wanna have a camera on you? You wanna be a filmer? Huh? That's a yes. Alright, I'm about to climb this tree. Alright, I'm at the top of this tree. Connor's right below me. What's up? Anyways, there's something. This is a rainforest, hence why there's moss on every branch. And you can't really see how far we are up because the branches are in the way. Ow. So yeah.
I think his yellow is Oh, here it comes, here.
Here comes one, Graham. Oh! That was sick, Graham. Alright, so I just got up and it is crazy foggy, as you guys can see. But it's disappearing really fast now that the sun's out. So I started my other GoPro taking a time lapse of the fog. So hopefully that'll look really cool. Alright, so Graham, Connor, and I found this cliff and I was thinking, hey, we could jump off this. So we're at the top of it, thinking about jumping, and I'll show you guys the size of the cliff. So, I mean, it looks pretty good.
He throws it back.
Yeah, you have to catch it if I threw it back. So yeah, I think we're about to jump off that.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, please be sure to leave a like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.